Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. It is Monday, right? It's Monday?
It is Monday.
Day, I don't know what, a million of spring break.
And we just realized the other day we were like planning out this week, and they actually don't have school next Monday either. So like they have 2 weeks of spring break, and then they actually also have next Monday.
Yeah.
Which is fine. Mondays
It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Mondays is obviously the most busy day kind of in reselling because you always have weekend shipping and stuff. So
Yeah.
we gotta just go with the flow though.
Gotta go with the flow.
So this weekend, Reese's not getting any meatballs.
Reese, come on.
Over.
Lay down, bud.
All right. So yeah, I have the few here that were already kind of at the house because they sold right away. And then I went to storage and grabbed the rest of the sales.
Yeah, and over the weekend, I was able to get all of the new shelving cut out, and I'm gonna go try to assemble one, maybe two of the shelves along the sides tonight, and hopefully, because you have quite a bit of stuff like staged there with nowhere to put, and we need the shelves up.
Bins I've taken to storage but haven't like put away yet, just because I was like, well, it'll be easier to put them in the new boxes once we have them.
Right. I mean, we know where everything is in there, but it's like it's not convenient yet. So we'll get there. This is the week. This is only 9 million more days to go spring break.
Yes. All right, so first up was this Under Armour tank. This was actually just my personal shirt. I did list about 19 of mine and the kids' outgrown things this weekend. So yeah, I think I bought this probably for like 18 to 20. I think I bought it at Scheels. And it sold for $11.27 plus ship. So making back probably $9-10 on that.
Okay.
These Wonder shoes. So this is Wonders. This was my first time finding or even hearing or selling this brand. You see like when it's right there.
Like Wanders, kind of?
Yeah.
Wanders?
Yeah, so it says made in Spain. Honestly, when I could tell these were like a really nice leather shoe, but I'd never heard of the brand. They had like a clearance sticker on them from a store I recognized, which I know was a good store. So I was like, okay, let me look them up because they must be something decent. And I did, but it was hard to find it because when you type in Wonders,
that's
in
just
like eBay, even like for a comp, it's bringing up like thousands of things.
Yeah.
Even when I did Wonder shoes, there's like Walmart is Wonder Nation, and like there's so many different Wonder. So then I was like Wonders made in Spain because that's what that says, and that narrowed it down to just a handful.
Okay. Yeah.
So once I did that, I was like, oh wow, those comps are pretty good. Although there's only a few and nothing like exactly like these ones that I had, so I kind of made them my own price of $59.95 plus shipping.
Shot in the dark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they sold within a day. So I probably underpriced them, but that's okay. Because I only paid $9.99 for them. So a really great sale for me. But yeah, just, I don't know. Let me know if you sold this brand before.
Right.
I'll definitely buy it again if I see it. It doesn't seem super common, but yeah, it's a nice quality shoe. And I think they retail for a few $100s a pair, so.
Yeah. Do you guys think Kathy undershot that? Let us know.
Most of the solds, like, they were, like, crossed out, so, like, best offer accepted. I didn't want to go to, like, what is that? The thing that you can see the actual sold price.
Oh,
like the Terapeak or something.
Terapeak, or is it Wonder?
I don't know.
It's a W, isn't it? I don't even remember what it is.
Worth Point. Like,
Worth Point, yeah.
I think you need, like, a membership or something for that.
Which we probably should get at some point, right? Maybe not.
You're too lazy to like go look at it, even though it probably would make my money by just paying for it.
Yeah, you probably could have paid for a year right there.
Also sold these Ultra sneakers. I just picked these up for $9.99 as well, and accepted a $49 offer on Posh within just a couple days. So,
nice.
Yeah, these are the Lone Peak. So the trail ones always seem to do a little bit better, but
I like those
still
soles.
Ultra, yeah. And
the
these
little
are
feet.
Women's 6, so still a pretty quick sale for a smaller size.
You're saying that so often now. You're gonna.
I know.
You're selling more smaller sizes.
Sale in here that's like a size 6 too. So, yeah, I'm picking them up when I find them. I did sell these little toddler natives. They're kind of rough, typical wear for a kid shoe. Pretty dirty on the inside. Bought for $4.99. Sold for $20 with discount shipping in like a day. So
awesome.
Still worth the pickup. Probably about a $9 profit. Super easy listing. All right. First sale of the storage stuff was these Ufos clogs. I did pay $12 for these, I want to say like a week or so ago. So really fast sale, sold for $43.46 plus shipping.
Awesome.
Love this brand. Scentsy. I'm not seeing that on the top here. Let me just put that to the side for a sec. Yeah, like when I'm at storage pulling to bring here, you know, I'm just putting them in here, so they're not really in any sort of order. These ones. Oh yeah, these actually sold while we were recording a haul video
last night right over there.
Yeah, so that was fun. These are Olokai sneakers. They actually are really nice. I've never sold this model, but it's just a really nice leather men's sneaker. Chris actually found these only because he didn't let me get there first.
I was like, I don't remember finding them, but okay.
He knows he's not supposed to look in the shoes because that's my thing, but he did. And
so I go and I snipe your.
Or something. I was like,
I gotta get some kind of credit, you know.
So Chris found these for $12.99. They sold for $62 plus shipping. So I want to say they sold in about a month.
Good job, Chris.
Good job, Chris. Next time I'm gonna go straight to the video.
For taking all the credit and having none of the work.
Sold these Zero shoes. Been selling a lot of these lately. Bought for $14.99. Accepted a $60 offer on Poshmark. Love Zero shoes. Got some Merrill. Little toddler Merrills. These I did pay $7.50 for. Someone offered $20. I debated countering like $25. I usually get $25 to $30 even for the toddler ones. But I just went ahead and accepted. It was within a couple days of them being listed. I'm not trying to hold out for a couple dollars extra. So, you know, $20, I make $16 after the Posh fee minus $7.50. It's still like $8 profit on a pair of kid shoes. I would generally take that anyway, so that was fair. Right. These Bobs. So sometimes Bobs only sell for like $20. These ones actually sold for $33. I think I listed them at $39. Someone offered $33. I was happy to accept. I paid $8.50 for those. They were in really good shape.
That was Bob's with a B, right? Not Bogs.
So Bob's is like by Skechers.
Okay.
Yeah. So these J. Crew flats, they're just like a black perforated leather slip-on. I bought these for $4, just like last weekend. Sold for $34.76 plus shipping.
Wow.
Brooks. Nice pair of Brooks Levitate. Bought for $12.99. Sold. I sent an offer for $39 plus shipping. Someone accepted. Okay, Bzees. I'm doing really well with this brand. Not for a lot. They usually sell anywhere from $30 to $40. I did pay $9.99 for this pair and sold them for $34.76 plus shipping. Pretty quick.
Sweet.
Yeah, and I found a lot of Bzees lately, so that's great. Sold these Vibram 5-finger. Bought for $9.50, sold for $38.01 plus shipping. Always love selling those. Again, barefoot shoes are just a good thing to look out for. This brand I think I've only sold once, maybe twice, but it's a great one to look out for. It's like hot chocolate design.
Oh, okay.
Just little. They always have like these weird prints and stuff. Sometimes even like more crazy, but they feel like not that cool of a shoe. Like, I mean, honestly, the material's not great in my opinion.
Right.
I don't know, but they seem to be popular. Whoever likes them looks out for them and buys them pretty quickly. So these were listed maybe a week. Bought for $5.99, sold for $43.46 plus shipping.
Wow.
Some of them, I feel like the last pair I sold went for a lot more than that. So definitely a bolo, I would say, just based on how much it sells for and how quickly it usually sells for.
Yeah, usually you're able to tell something as quality by just feeling it, right? Like the material. And that's kind of like
I would say those.
Right, it's kind of.
Those are kind of like those UIN flats to me where I'm like, those don't feel great, but
they sell really great, yeah.
I did sell these Scarpa men's shoes. These are Gore-Tex. I bought for $9.99 and accepted a $50 offer on Posh.
Sweet.
Love that brand. Some Sass. Nope. Sass, just like a 3-strap sandal, bought for $6.99, set an offer of $26 plus ship, buyer accepted. Alright, there's my Scentsy buddy.
Oh, a bear or a lamb?
Lenny the lamb, yep.
Lenny the lamb.
This came from the bin, so $1.98 into $13.01 plus shipping.
Very nice.
Some Skechers. This was our viewer's sale in a smaller size 6, I believe. This is going out to Tanya. Thank you so much. She said she loves our channel and Reese. So thank you for watching.
Awesome.
Reese.
Tanya, thank you so much. You like this meatball? Uh-oh, I said no.
Why'd you do
I know, because it's my nickname for him.
All right. So anyways, I got these from the bins for $1.77. Tanya got them from us for $19 plus shipping. So thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Tanya. Let me say thank you.
Right.
Ah, don't jump on me.
You tricked him.
We'll get you after.
Go lay down.
You get one after. Go lay down.
All right. These, I don't know how you say this. I think it's Harimari.
Harimari?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. It's Harimari. Is that how you would say it?
I think so.
I want to say Harry Mary because that's funnier. But I'm pretty sure it's just like Harimari.
I like Harry Mary.
So yeah, these are been fine. $207 cost of goods into $17.36 plus shipping, just for some flip flops.
Nice.
Not too bad.
Some Harry Mary flip flops.
I'm gonna do this one last because that was the best sale.
Okay.
All right, got some Skechers, men's boat shoe. I did pay I did pay $10.99 for these. I sold them for $23 plus shipping, which is not a lot of profit, but I missed somehow, like they had some like cracking
I see.
and stuff around the edges. So I was like, yeah, so I sent that off of 23 to just kind of move them quickly, which I did. I only had those about a week or so.
That's good.
Yeah. Still made maybe $6, $7 profit. Okay, so these Franco Sardo, just like a slip-on loafer. This isn't a brand I always pick up. I find it like all the time. Usually the thrift prices it kind of high. These I picked up just because they were like basically new looking. They're kind of like almost a snakeskin or something print.
Yeah, like a scale.
I thought that was helping its cause. They looked almost brand new. So I took a chance at $7.99. You know, I figured even if I get 20, that's almost doubling my money. I ended up getting 24 plus shipping pretty quickly.
Okay.
So
nice.
yeah, definitely, yeah. Don't buy every Franco Sardo you see, but you know, I've done okay with it. I did sell these Adidas boots, the size 15, so really big size. They didn't take a super long time to sell. I want to say maybe like 2 months or so. Bought for $9.99, sold for $56.51 plus.
Wow, yeah, nice.
Yeah, and we were kind of talking about this on our haul video.
On the haul video, yeah.
I found an Ultra Boost. I think I did wash these in the washing machine. Chris was asking me if I was gonna wash the pair that I got because they're kind of dirty like this.
Right.
And I said I've done it in the past and it hasn't seemed to help. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I washed these in the washing machine and they did not come any cleaner.
Right. Nice.
And then these are even pretty gross on the bottom too. So they still sold, you know, I'm showing pictures of everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, still a really good sale. And yeah, people will still buy the Boost up looking like that because that's just kind of how they get pretty quickly, honestly. So. Okay, lastly, the best sale of the weekend goes out to these New Balance shoes.
Yeah.
I bought these for $12.99. They're the, what are they, 993s or something. They are USA made, so they have that USA on the heel.
Okay.
Yeah, these sold for $130.46 plus shipping in probably less than a month. So yeah,
Nice.
they were
So what are they new?
Huh?
What are they brand new?
I don't know. I don't know that they. I don't know why these ones, like the 990s, like all the
900 series?
Yeah, I don't know if it's the USA made or what. I thought all New Balance were USA made, weren't they?
I have no idea.
So I don't know. I don't know what it is about these, but I did know when I picked them up, I was like, oh, these are the good ones. And when I looked them up, I thought I'd get around 100. But when I went to list them, like, I don't think there was any in this size. It was like a good size, and I think it was a wide width. So I listed them pretty high. I did actually look at Terapeak on these.
Oh.
For the first time ever because I was like, there's none listed in the size I have, and I saw some like really high listed in the different sizes and like really kind of not low but like lower than 100, and I was hoping to get
right.
it to 100. So I was like, let me get a better idea.
Yeah.
And I think it was telling me an average was like 179. So
wow.
Some people got a lot on there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I listed them around 150, and then with our sale 15% off or so, the 130-40.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So, do I remember right? Those are going to authentication and all that?
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know where they're. Yeah.
Okay.
The label showing me to the warehouse that the
right.
is going to authenticate them and send them to the buyer. I think it cuts off communication with the buyer when it does it. So.
Right.
Not that they message me or anything, but yeah. I'm pretty sure they can't return once it's authenticated and shipped off to them, so that's cool.
And you got those, and you wanted me to have them.
Well, they are Chris's size, and Chris does need a wide width, which is really hard to find, honestly.
Yeah.
So I was like, do you want these? I could probably sell them for this much, but if you want them, you can have them.
I think the shoes I like are cheaper than that new, right?
Your ortho feet.
My grandpa feet.
Yeah. So.
Awesome. Well, I think that's it. We're going to get this stuff packed up. We got to get this his meatballs. He knows. It's like he knows I'm doing the closing. Gosh.
This is a new thing.
I mean, he's been around for like 600 or 700 videos. Oh.
We'll get it.
Can you sit like a good boy? Sit. He's like, no.
I cannot wait till these are all gone.
Yeah. You know, this morning I gave him some carrots. I give him carrots in the morning, and one of the carrots that I gave him was a little bit smaller. It was probably the pencil size, and he just couldn't see it. I think he's getting those old dog eyes, and he's obviously has that thing on his eye, but that's never really affected his vision.
Eyeballs do look a lot more.
They're clouding.
foggy.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, old man.
He's getting old. I mean, he's what, 13? Going on 14?
Yeah.
I think he's going to be 14 this summer, so.
No more.
And look at this, we're getting some snow right now. Spring break, guys, look at that spring. Anyway, that's going to do it for today, guys. We're going to get this stuff packed up, brave the snowstorm to the post office.
Snowstorm. That would call for a snow day, though.
Yeah, it probably would.
Yeah.
But we'll see you guys in the next one with another What Sold.
Bye.
Bye.